This video addresses physical contamination and the impact warm cleaning materials have on our food safety. Physical contamination occurs when physical objects enter the food during preparation or production. There is a risk of choking when these objects are introduced into the food. The most common types of physical contamination include glass, metal, rubber, bone, wood, stone and plastic. Today we're going to pay particular attention to how warm cleaning materials are a serious hazard to our customers. It is imperative to throw away damaged cleaning materials as soon as possible to avoid physical contamination, therefore having an impact on the safety of our customers.